Are you looking for the best saw for cutting shapes out of wood? Here we will break down the top 7 saw for cutting shapes out of wood on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Milwaukee 27 2021. When you want the best, Milwaukee's M18 fuel cordless Sawzall is the obvious choice. While the stroke length of 1/183rd and speed of up to 3000 strokes minute is on par with the other models below, the brushless motor provides constant power with less overheating. The entire tool has been designed to provide more power, durability, and life than its competition. With the brushless motor, you can expect it to run up to twice as long as many competitors and last up to 5 times as long due to fewer moving parts. The Red Lithium XC 4.0 extended capacity battery pack offers excellent running time and the RedLink Plus intelligent system that keeps the saw running at peak efficiency. If you've never tried the brushless fuel line of Milwaukee tools, you're in for a treat. Long-time customers of Milwaukee show little surprise at the power and accuracy of this saw, while new users find it easy to control. As expected from the best cordless reciprocating saw currently on the market, owners of this model are quick to point out the durability and long battery life, as well as how quick and easy it is to change blades. The 2021 M18 fuel lives up to the Milwaukee reputation for quality, making it very rare to find a direct complaint regarding the tool. Instead, most of the problems have been with shipping. Some third-party sellers have been known to substitute a carrying bag for a hard case. At number 2. Wen 39 2016-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. Wen scroll saw is designed for your needs. It accepts blades in 2 directions, both standard and 90 degrees for your comfort. Moreover, it offers a speed of 400 to 1600 strokes per minute. It can cut up to 2 inches thick wood and a 16-inch depth. Its spacious table is perfect for your angled cuts. It bevels up to 45 degrees for your accessibility. If you want to have a small yet powerful saw in cutting shapes from wood, this one is recommended. Its unique features make your work accessible. Imagine the 400 to 1600 strokes per minute, isn't it amazing? Wen scroll saw helps you so much with your crafts. It is perfect when you want to create a creative wood craft. At number 3. Bosch JS 260. Bosch offers a great choice of jigsaws that will help you cut wood for almost any type of project you might have. And this model is a high-quality tool, while the price still remains a budget-friendly one. It's got 6-amp motor and variable speed that you can control by the trigger and the 4 orbital action settings for different types of cuts that require different blade strokes. The adjustable dust blower will keep the cutting line clear so you can see it at all times and make the right decisions as you are cutting the wood. It also comes with a heavy gauge steel footplate and a tool-less blade change system, as well as very secure the clamping system. Most users declare themselves happy when it comes to using this jigsaw for cutting curves in wood. The most appreciated features are its capacity to cut smoothly into any type of wood, as well as the budget-friendly price that it can be purchased at. It is a fast tool that would be great for all types of cutting tasks even in hardwood. For best results with cutting shapes out of wood, pair it with a good quality curve cutting blade. Check this quick guide to find out more. At number 4. Wen 3962. Wen 3962 103 band saw has several different features, which include an adjustable fence, sliding miter gauge, beveling table, 3-in-1 dust collection port, 25-inch stand, flexible work light with independent power switch, onboard measuring guide, and ball bearing operation. The band saw's 3-in-1 dust port can fit several different hose sizes for dust collection. Its 2-speed operation can run the blade at both 1520 and 2620 feet per minute, thus allowing you to adjust the speed of the blade for the type of project you are working on accordingly. You also receive a large variety of blade options to choose from. You can use 72-inch blades from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, depending on the details you want to create on wood. You can create bevel cuts on wood up to 6 inches. Bevel the table up to 45 degrees to the right. You can cut wood that is up to 6 inches thick. When you combine this with a 9 to 3/4 inch throat, you can easily cut wood that is up to 10 inches thick. You will also receive several useful accessories with the bandsaw. You can use the work light to see the cutting line and the material you are cutting. A sturdy fence to create straight cuts. Use the miter gauge to cut specific angles. You also receive a 25-inch stand to elevate the bandsaw. At number 5. ShopFox W1713. This is a scroll saw which you can also trust to handle some of your projects, and the ShopFox W1713 is a saw which comes with a variable speed feature that allows for maximum control when working on delicate materials and making intricate cuts. However, this isn't a cheap saw like the Bosch we showed you earlier, but considering its key features, you would agree that it is worth the price. Its dust port and dust blower make sure that your work area is clean, while its gooseneck light design enables you to work in low light conditions. At number 6. Stanley 15 to 113. Our favorite hacksaw is the Stanley 15 to 113 12-inch high-tension hacksaw, which uses an adjustable tension setting to deliver up to 32,000 psi on the blade. Some hacksaws have an uncomfortable wobble to the blade, making it difficult to cut with any power, but the Stanley saw features excellent stability because of its high-tension setting. Even though a hacksaw is a handsaw, its slim design gives this type of saw the ability to work in many areas other saws can't reach. To give the Stanley 15 to 113 high-tension hacksaw an even greater ability to work in tight spots, you can set the hacksaw blade on the Stanley to a 45-degree angle. This hacksaw justifies its high price with an excellent performance level. It's also easy to change the blades on the Stanley 15 to 113 hacksaw, which is a common problem on some cheaper models. At number 7. DEWALT 20V Max XR Jigsaw. A jigsaw is one of the most versatile power tools you need to add in your workshop. It can cut different patterns and complex curves following the markings on the wood. It can also make short crosscuts in wood and finish inside corner a cut which was started with a circular saw. A jigsaw can cut through wood, laminate, metal, as well as PVC. Working with a jigsaw requires caution and ensure you use the correct blade for the wood you want to cut. The only downside with this machine is that the blade can bend when the pressure is too much. To avoid this problem, do not force the blade through a cut, instead, always keep the blade shape. The compact size of this DEWALT 20V Max XR jigsaw allows for easy control and precise cuts. The variable speed dial and trigger allow for accurate speed control and uses a brushless motor that gives this jigsaw longer runtime. This model uses a 20-volt battery, so that will need to be purchased additionally if you do not have one.